Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Bluetooth not working fix in Windows 10. First method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand Bluetooth. Right-click Bluetooth device. Click Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Second method is, type Services in Windows search bar. Click Services. Open Bluetooth Support Service. Make sure Startup Type is automatic. Stop and start the service. Open Bluetooth User Support Service. Startup Type is automatic. Start the service. Third method is, click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot. Click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Bluetooth. Click Run the Troubleshooter. Fourth and final method is, type Regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand HKey Local Machine. Click and expand Software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand Current Version. Open Current Version. Change to 6.2. Click OK and exit Registry Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.